Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So welcome to the part 2 video of how to use Flow and its feature called as frames to video. So if you have not watched the part 1 of this video, you can just go on my YouTube channel and check out the recently published video on Flow, which is the part 1. So let's move forward. Let's click on create with Flow. Okay, so let's select frames to video as this is our second part, and let's create the first frame. So let me describe how frames to video works. So as you can see, there are two plus icon over here. When you click on first one, it creates the first frame, and the last one being the end frame. And after giving a prompt, the first image will be the first frame, and the ending of the video will be the image in the end frame, if you know what I mean. So let me show you how it works. So let's first create the first frame. We can choose from all the listed images over here, which are example for sample, or you can upload your own if you have one by browsing your computer, or you can just give a prompt to create the image. So let's give a prompt to create the first frame. So my prompt is a static image of a single integrate ice sculpture. So when you click on generate, it creates 4 different variation based on your prompt. So let's select this one looks quite good. Then just click on save as new ingredient. Then once again click on the first frame. Just click on the new image which we have created using prompt, which is the ice sculpture. Then let's create the end frame. Once again click on generate image with the prompt, and here my prompt is a static image of the same ice sculpture now melted into a puddle with steam rising. So these are the 4 variation. I'll choose this one, but as you can see, the background is completely changed from the first frame. But let's check out how it works, how it will create a video. This is for testing purposes only. You can completely customize how you want to create the first and the end frame and create your own amazing videos. Okay, so I'll save this one as the end frame. Now I'll give the prompt to create the whole video. So my prompt here is the ice sculpture rapidly melts and dissolves into a puddle in a time-lapse effect. Use generated audio of crackling ice and sizzling steam. Now let's see how it creates. Oh, I mistakenly used the Veo 3.1 fast model. So as I've already said in my previous video, that if you use a Veo 3.1 fast model, it will not give you a nice quality video. It might be in 720p or 480p. So to fix that, you can just change the model from fast to quality, as it will enhance the quality of the video and the video will look good, maybe in 1080p or plus, like in full HD. But now let's check out how this works. So here is our video. And also one more thing, whenever you use the 3.1 fast model, it literally creates the video very fast but with compromising quality. So let's check out this video. Wow, it's pretty good, but it literally changed the end frame to the image which we have already used. this looks pretty good anyways. Yeah. As you can see, I'll just pause it in between, and here you go. As you can see, this is also changing to the color of our end frame. So that's how it tried to mix up the two frames and create a whole video, which is pretty good. Wow, amazing. So this is how frames to video work, and I'll show you another example of frames to video to complete this part. So now we will change the model from Veo 3.1 fast to Veo 3.1 quality, and let's see if there is any quality changes of the video in this model. So now let me once again check my AI credits. Okay, there are 160 remaining. Let's create the first frame once again. Create image. My first prompt is a simple one, a basic one. It is a photo of a blank, empty canvas. Okay, there are 4 different variation. Let me check which one is good. Even the camera position is pretty good on this one. This one looks pretty good. Let's select this as the first frame. Save as new ingredient. Now let's create the end frame. The final frame of a vibrant abstract oil painting on the canvas. I hope it doesn't change the position of the canvas, of the camera position. I think so it might change, but let's see. Okay, this one looks pretty good. We will just select this as the end frame, and let's create the prompt for the video. Let's select the first frame once again and paste my prompt for the video. A painter's brush appears and rapidly, magically applies thick wet paint to the canvas, creating the abstract painting from the end frame. Fluid brush strokes. So let's see how it works. And notice here that we have used the Veo 3.1 quality model, and we'll compare the two videos based on the quality. Okay, so here's our video. Let's check out how it is. Let's turn on the full screen mode, and yeah. Okay, wow. um yeah, this is pretty good, but the way it zoom in to complete the end frame looks really amazing, and the quality of the video is pretty good compared to the previous one. Notice how the quality of this video is pretty good than this. Let's check out the previous one. Yeah, as you can see, the quality is not that good because we have used a fast model, whereas here we have used a quality model. Also, you have to do some kind of prompt engineering to create an video which looks really amazing. The more detailed prompt you give, the more accurately the AI creates the video for you. So yeah, that's it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I'll upload the last part of this video in some days, which will be the part 3 of Flow AI, which will be the last feature here, which is ingredients to video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it supports me a lot.